Yes, we're still building an audience. Obviously, we want to talk about the game yesterday. God knows, Miracle, my friend, how are you, my brother? A long time. It's good to see you. Of course, like I said, we want to talk about the game yesterday. Hi, we're still building an audience. Yes, Zimbabwe played against Algeria. They drew 2-2. I think the boys did well. Hi, from God knows, Miracle Shumba. Hi, good to see you too, bro. Here's brother. I've got Love More as well. I'm good, my brother. How are you doing? Also, yeah, the boys did well yesterday. Martin Lee, my brother, how are you? Unkoshiwe, bro. So yeah, we're still building audience about the game yesterday. The boys did well yesterday. Unfortunately, we couldn't sneak it out. We could have loved to get the 3 points yesterday, but it was 2-2. We got the 1 point. Yeah, I think we're still in it. It's still a long way to go. How are you, Gerald? I'm doing fine, my brother. It's good to hear from you as well. And I've got Masike Zeke. Yeah. Okay, I've got Sean who's asking me, where do you think we can improve? Of course, Sean, there are a lot of aspects that we can improve in the game, but we are, like I said, we're still building audience. I just need like maybe 30 to 25 people so that we can start this conversation about the game. Yes, Martin Lee speaks about the belief. The boys did well, and you know what amazes me while yesterday we're just watching the game and also analyzing is the SADC people, not only Zimbabwean supporting Zim, but around SADC. So yeah, there were good comments as well. Someone is saying Jim Dara, soccer legend. Bafana, my brother. How are you, my brother? And yeah, I know you guys, you were really behind Zimbabwe yesterday. It's always nice because Africa, we were one. Africa Cup of Nations is in Africa. So yeah, and yeah, the guy said, where can you improve? Like I said, there are a lot of things that we can improve. So yeah, defensive we can still do much better. Here comes another question from Martin as well. But history should serve us well and play dirty. That's a good one. Tatenda, good to hear you from. Good to hear from you, Yellowman. Go Captain, go. From Bafana, we're behind Zim all the way. Thank you, my brother. We really appreciate your support. SADC, we are one. So yeah, I'm still building audience as well. We've got maybe I think we can start, guys. Our conversation about the game last night. Obvious my own point of view, because listen, this is a platform where anyone can just suggest what we could have done and what we could have improved as well. And I've got Sean here, Sean Moyo. How do you see Nakamba role in the team? Of course, Nakamba is one a player. I think anyone who have watched Ronald Swanda is a player who can unlock the defense. I think at some point we missed a player like that who can just do those splitting passes to fit Nyasha Mshek, especially in the second half. I think second half Zimbabwe did not do well. But guys, I'm not here to tell you. I want you guys to tell me what you saw. because you guys are coaches of today. So yeah, I think yeah, guys, just bring those questions to me. Just let's just communicate. And yeah, Bafana says the guy were explosive. Defense needs to be more strong, and we need to finish the created chances. That was our 3 points from Chingo. No, that was our 3 points from that game. Best performance from the boys. We need Nyandoro and Kama Billiard for the kill. Noted. That's a good combination there. Give me those questions. Give me your views, guys. I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting. Yeah, in terms of defense from Bafana, I think it's a good point. Second half, I think Bafana, Zimbabwe were just like 6 and 7s, and I felt at some point they started losing shape. Instead of attacking, they started sitting back, which for me, I think in football they say there is a term called the best way of defending is attack. And guys, I'm still waiting. I hope often I've answered you the question. I'm still waiting for you guys to say much. On Martin Lee said the belief is there. Of course, the boys are playing against Senegal, which is a tough match. Obvious after yesterday's performance, I think we've got the belief. Sean said where can we improve most? I think everyone is just like is tasked in terms of defense area. I think we can do so, and also maybe to keep the ball more, because yesterday I felt second half we started losing the ball. We're kicking the ball forward, and I think in the midfield we can be tighter. At the back, that's where we need to be tight more. Yeah, and I'm just checking, guys, your messages here. Martin Lee says the mentality has changed, bruh. These boys believe in themselves, which is a good thing. I think that's what you want to hear. Zanel, the first half was awesome, to be honest, but the substitution on Musonda with Rusike was not good. We should have put Nyandoro or on Rusike. Guys, tell me about this one, the change from Musona to Rusike. I'm not the coach. You guys are the coaches today. That's a well taken, obvious view from Zanele, and yeah. Someone is saying jealous down. Guys, you are good. Guys, if you guys were coaching, I just want to pose these questions to you guys. Which substitution could we have made yesterday? Remember, Malajila came in, Rusuke came in. Of course, I think we had 2 substitutions in that game. In your own view, just tell me, would you replace Sorenso and put Sorenso, just to know the game? Ando said we had a good game, but we got it wrong for considering, and also the second half was not good. I think we still have the belief on Warriors to make it. Richard says the Warriors need self-confidence in the next game. I think they are going to score more goals. More goals we have. Kasmi, my white man. Hi, Ezel. Far do you think boys can go? I would like to see them in the final. Oh, wow. That's a good one. Kasmi, anything is possible in football, and that would be nice. I think Zambian team, when they won it in I think it was 2012, that 7 to 8 players who were playing here in South Africa. So we also have similar number as well, players who are playing in South Africa. I think we've got 6 to 7. So anything is possible. Yeah, so that would be nice to see the boys playing in the final. Guys, I'm about to finish off this conversation with you. I've noted some good points, some valid points with you guys, and I must say I'll be back again. This is how I saw the game. Yesterday, Zimbabwe was just awesome in the first half. Second half, I think we tend to drop back, which resulted in inviting Algeria to come in our half. And I think at some point we conceded too many fouls in our area and also too many corners. It caused us to be under more pressure. But I just hope the coach and the technical staff will sort this thing out, in our next game. Guys, it has been a pleasure. Awesome. I think I love you guys. Thank you for chatting with me and also for your views as well. Thanks.